Just when you think you're going to have a whole day to get caught up, it never turns out that way, you know. But here's your problem. Okay, this Jones ice cream stand, it's a good one to practice with. And these are the months they have, and the number of cones, and then total operating costs. And the temptation is to go over here to operating costs to get your high and low, but the high and low points are always based on the number of units. Okay, so our number of units here are, well, it's interesting too, because they've got some with commas and some without, so that kind of throws you off. And believe it or not, the biggest problem I have is picking out the right high and low. It's so easy to make a mistake on it. So my high is 3,000, so I put this here. And at 3,000, we've got $2,700. So that goes here under cost. It's just an easy way to summarize it. And then at the low level, our low level for sure is 1,000 cones, and the cost there is 1,900. So after I do that, I check it again. I'm not kidding. So I have my number of cones. We're looking for the change in cones and the change in dollars, because that will show us where the variable cost is. So if my dollars are $800, okay, you know what I really should do here is make these really dollars. You know what I mean? $800 divided by 2,000 cones, okay, would be 40 cents of variable cost per cone. Okay, and that's the second thing that we do. Then next, what we're going to figure out what our fixed cost is. And we can do that either at the high or the low level, but not in between. Okay, it's got to be one of these two numbers. So I did it at the low level. I usually pick the easiest number to work with. My total cost is $1,900. That's here at this level. My variable cost is $400, and that would be 1,000 cones. The 1,000 cones here times 40 cents. Okay, so that would be $400, and that means my fixed cost is $15,000. So once I've got these two things done, the 40 cents and the 1,500, I can do my cost function. And the total cost is, my cost function is 1,500, okay, plus 0.40x. Okay, so there's my fixed cost, and there's my variable cost. All right, so the question is, well, what are the costs if we sell 1,440 ice cream cones? So the cost would be 1,500 in fixed cost plus 40 cents times 1,440, and I get 2,076. Okay, so with any luck, that's the right number. Okay, best of luck.